I got this ES350. Had this radio in it. Customer wanted an upgrade, so he brought a screen and asked us to install it for him. Pretty nice. Show you guys a couple of features real fast. Like the EQ, full band EQ. And you can go into the surrounds and cinema and things, and then you do your time delay on each speaker and setup that you want. So, sorry about the light glare. You can really get in on that. It comes with YouTube on it, like Google Play Store, Chrome. Get your car link and everything on there. There's YouTube, and then it integrates into your stock backup camera, so didn't have to deal with that. And then it has the sensors, so it'll go, you know, as you get closer. So it goes right back there. Got that installed for a customer. All that Black Audio. Y'all check us out. So you got colors down here on your buttons. See how they change? Change colors. And you can change them too. So just a lot of stuff that's on here. Add more apps to it. Just getting online. Obviously, you control all your AC functions. Just hit that, turns it on. If you don't want to use the touch, you have a button down here. You hit that button, it turns it off too. Obviously, the hazard button works. Full touch screen. So obviously it's looking for videos. We don't have none of those. Obviously you got navigation when he hooks it up. It'll be come through. Actually you hit navigation here. So it will pop up here. Settings in there, stuff like that. So everything is basically everything you need. You can get online, you can go to the Play Store, it will pop up. Like I said, the buttons, colors change. Looking for a screen? You want that new screen? You contact Black Audio. We'll take care of you. Always professional, always the right spot.
Yes, sir.